Want to create this effect? This is a commonly used effect. Let's start creating it. Create your composition. Add your text. Select fill and align it to the center. Add slow fade on effect to your text. Select your layer and hit U. To keep the in animation shorter, bring the keyframes closer. Select both keyframes and hit F9 to easy ease. Copy this graph. Now add fade out slow effect. Select the keyframes and drag them to the end of the clip. Select both keyframes and hit F9 to easy ease. Copy this graph. Make sure you are editing in the speed graph. Now add the Turbulent Displace effect. Set the amount to 15 and size to 20. Now to add some motion to it. Hold Alt and click this stopwatch icon next to random seed, and write this expression. And the effect is done. For the final glow, add deep glow effect. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tutorials.